On February 28, 1953, Cambridge University scientists James Watson and Francis Crick announced that they have determined the double helix structure of DNA, the molecule containing human genes. The molecular biologists were aided significantly by the work of another DNA researcher, Rosalind Franklin, although she is not included in the announcement, nor did she share the subsequent Nobel Prize award for it. Though DNA, short for Deoxyribonucleic Acid, was discovered in 1869, its crucial role in determining genetic inheritance wasn't demonstrated until 1943. The early 1950s, Watson and Crick were only two of many scientists working on figuring out the structure of DNA. California chemist Linus Pauling suggested an incorrect model at the beginning of 1953, prompting Watson and Crick to try to beat Pauling on its own game. On the morning of February 28, they determined that the structure of DNA was a double helix polymer, each containing a long chain of monomer nucleotides wound around each other. According to their findings, DNA replicated itself by separating into individual strands, each of which became the template for a new double helix. A controversy arose over the use of Watson and Crick made of a work done by another DNA researcher, Rosalind Franklin. Colleague Maurice Wilkins showed Watson and Crick Franklin's X-ray photographic work to Watson just before he and Crick made their famous discovery. The imagery established that DNA molecule existed in a helical conformation. When Crick and Watson won the Nobel Prize in 1962, they shared it with Wilkins. Franklin, who died in 1958, was never eligible for the award and never learned of the role that her photographs played in the historic scientific breakthrough. Our ability as humans to try to reverse engineer God's creation constantly amazes us with intrinsic level of detail. The Bible says in Job 10:8 in the first part, "Your hands have made me and fashioned me an intricate unity." That's right. Scientists will fascinate the world with more and more discoveries of the power and order of God's creation. A thought for the day: the same God that creatively made us is willing to patiently save us. May God bless you.